Create a website similar to ChatGPT. Boom. I need a modern website for my AI agency. Boom. Build portfolio for a video editor. And boom. Change the layout design. Changed. Add social media icons here. Edit. Want multi-page website. Built instantly. Once you have made all the changes, click publish. An entire dream website built in seconds just by chatting with AI. Even from simple sketches. It's like ChatGPT but for web design. No coding, no tech skills needed. Try it now.
Hey guys, if you are a student, if you are a worker, developer, or business professional or a freelancer, you need to know these websites. These are the free websites where you can create website in just one click, or you can say in just one prompt. Here are the 5 websites in which some are free and some are paid. So let's begin. A very first and the website which is shown in the intro of this video, this is Vezik.ai. Here you can just click or give a prompt and create your website what you want. You can create website like ChatGPT, you can create website like Amazon, you can create like a website any for professional, for working, for e-commerce, or any type of website. Just to see here what you can see. But one thing, it's not free. It's not free. Just see here, 230 countries and region, 5 lakh plus websites built in and managed. They are built and managed also. 95% chats for free. You can chat it here free. Builds in 10 seconds. Yes, in 10 seconds you can build only one page websites. If you want to create multi-page websites, you can here. Yes, it's a very strong and a very working professional websites. 23.9, this is the plan. These are the plan. You can say here are the two plan, $41.9 per month and 23. Next I have Wix.com. Experience like site creations like never before. Create with AI. Here you can see what you can do. It's a second website. You can create any type of website here also. Yes, 24/7 customer care, but it's also not free. If you go to pricing, then you will see it will charge less amount than the first website. Yes, here is the plan. Here is the plan. Light care business elite, just dollar and in rupees you can say here. Yes, it's not costly, it's easy, and you can use it for free. Yes, here is the option start for free. You can use start for free. Now next, Replit.com. Replit also a website where you can create your website, your desired or your dream website in just a one prompt. Here are the some suggestion, or you can directly give a prompt. Suggestion give you more clarity what you want. Sign up for free, but as you can say sign up for free, but it's not free. Next, Zimdo. It's 100% free. Simple, easier, faster. 100% free. You can create your website in just one prompt, or create your multi-page website step by step with AI. Start now. It's free. It's 100% free. It's our fourth websites, and why I'm telling again and again, because it's free. And next and last, AI Studio, but it's free. Zimdo, it's free.